We'll continue to talk about leadership. I recommend for you all books and online lectures by John Maxwell. And our resource today is from the book 5 Levels of Leadership. Today we'll talk about the third level of leadership, which is production level. The key word here is result. So in this level, you will be effective and productive. Why? Because you produce. The greatest principle leadership says the people do what people see. So you are modeling for them. The most important in this level is the momentum. The momentum in this level is a leader best friend. The momentum is a problem solving. The momentum he or she can take care 80% of organization problems. It happens in sport, in government, in restaurant, in every company. Put your seatbelts on because we are going to stage number 4. The people development. It's a beautiful level to be on. That's what excites me. Something magical happens in level 4. Positioning is to put people on the right seats on the bus. So, a successful person positions himself well. Successful people position themselves well. Successful leader position their people well. All right, how about the level 5 of the leadership, which is pinnacle level? The key word here is respect. On level 5 of the leadership, people absolutely will follow you because of the quality you have, because of what you have been done. Please ask yourself what level you are on. You will discover you are on a different levels with different people. So we have talked about the 5 levels of leadership. God bless you. Goodbye.